Welcome to the quick guide on how to create a Gmail or Google account. Whether you are setting up your first Gmail account or you need a new account, the step-by-step tutorial has you covered. So let's move towards screen.
So first of all, we need to open our Google Chrome Beta. We have to click on add option. Then we have two options. First option is continue without an account. If you want to visit as a guest, so you can click on this option. But if you want to create a new account, you have to click on sign in. Here, if you already have a Gmail account, then you can log in here with your email or phone number. But here we want to create a new account, so click on create. So here are three options. First is for your personal use. Second is for your child. The third is for your work or business. So we are going to build here for our personal use. So here the first basic requirement is your name, first name or last name. First name is a mandatory and the last name is your optional. You can either choose or you can either reject it. So here the second basic information is your date of birth and gender. You have to put your date of birth and your gender, then click next. So in the next step, you have to put your a unique name for your Gmail. I have to put here. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. So we click next. Here you have to choose a strong password for your Google account. You can either check that your password may be right on both of sections. You can click here on show password. So click next. So here you have to put your phone number and then click on next. So you have to give here a code, 6-digit verification code that you receive on your phone. So you have to then. So here we have to add a recovery email. We put here the main basic purpose of recovery email is that if you forget your password, then you can recover your password or your email account by this email. So boom, our account has been created. We can review our account or click next. There are privacy or terms. You can either read or either go through it. I agree, then agree. You can all the species of Google, and then our account has been created. Click on yes, I am in. So here you have to customize your profile. As our profile has been done, here you have to just customize your profile. I gave here a name of my software house. Then you can choose here any type of color as you like. Yes, our account has been totally created. Now you can use it either for as your Gmail, on your YouTube, Gemini app, search, etc. Your Gmail account has totally been created and you can use it. So here you have to customize your profile. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumb up and subscribe our channel for more such kind of videos. Thanks.